Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about how to add the activities in the list view and how to implement such functionality in our custom module for Odoo 19. Today's lecture is a very small topic. It is basically based on how to add logs in your particular custom module to identify any error or any of the issue to solve, or simply just add for the information. So here you can see there are various records in here person. You can see there are various fields. Now what if I want to, if suppose if there is any error in of the code, I want to debug or know what exactly the issue is. So in that case, we can use the print statement of the Python, or else we can also use the logger of the Odoo. Now what is logger and how do we implement? Let's see. First, go to the code. Here currently I am in library person. Now let's see, go to the person library.person model. What we will do, we will simply add here what will be the particular value of these total books here will be shown like a simple print statement, but in Odoo we can use logger. So first we need to add or import the logger. For that, add import logging at the top of the code, and here you can add the logger variable is equals to logging dot get logger underscore underscore name underscore underscore. What I have done, I have simply imported the logging and created the logger variable. Now as we use print statement in Python, we can simply use logger as well. Now what I'll do, I'll simply here add enter logger dot info, and I will add here this is a log. And now I'll simply restart my server, and here now when I'll add here any of the record, see you can see here is 4, but you may be wondering where is our log statement will be shown. So it will be shown in the here in your log file. What I will do, I'll simply search for the this log, control C. Here I will simply search for F, control V. See, you can see here it is shown, and as you can see here currently it is coming as an info. You can also set as warning also. So what I will do, I'll simply here add instead of warning info, I will add warning, and simply restart my server. Here quickly refresh it. First I just delete the logs so that we don't see any old errors. Now what I'll do, I'll simply here delete any of the record and save it. And here you can see now it is shown as warning, while previously it was shown like this info. So by this you can add the statements in the logs as well. Also if you want to print any of the variable, you can add here in your code. You can simply add here f, here I will variable. Let's we just simply use this variable. Simply I'll just print here. Now what I'll do, I'll simply restart my server, simply add any of the record and save it, and go to the logs. Here you can see variable 4 is shown. So with this small topic, it will help you for debug your code to find any of the error and all the necessary information regarding your code. So let me summarize today's small topic. In order to see the logs for your custom module in Odoo 19, all you need to do is go to your code, First, you need to import the logging. Then you need to create a logger variable. Here logging.getLogger followed by in the round bracket underscore underscore name underscore underscore. Then simply use where you want to use logger.info or logger.warning as per your requirement and add the logs like this. So you can see in your log file and it will be helpful to debug your code. I hope this small topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.